What's going on, guys? Thank you for stopping by at the channel. Today we're going to be installing rear brake pads on a 2003 Chevrolet Silverado 2500 HD Duramax diesel. Now, if you are a part of the 6.0 group, or if you have a 6.0 gas motor in the Chevys, as long as it's from the year 2000 to 2007, this video still applies to you. So don't be worried about, don't be clicking out of the video just because you think you have the gas. It doesn't matter, it's all the same. It's a pretty simple install. We're gonna get right to it. But I wanna thank you guys for tuning into the channel. Let's get started. Alright guys, as you can see, we have the driver's side rear tire off, so that way we can get to the caliper and change out these pads. So I'm going to go ahead and give you a more up close and personal look at what we're going to be doing for this install. So we're going to be taking the actual caliper off of the bracket. We will not be removing the bracket here. You will, if you are changing the rotor, the actual rotor itself, you will need to take off the bracket, which is an 18mm bolt. That is not what we are doing. We are just doing pads. Having that said, so you will need to take off the caliper itself with a T25 star bit, and there's going to be one on the top and one on the bottom. However, you will not be doing the one on the top because you will have issues with you getting your socket in between here and the leaf spring. So you will just be using the T25 star bit on the bottom bolt to take out this caliper from the bracket. So I'm going to go ahead and give you guys a view from over here. I'm going to set the camera up right over there, and we're going to go ahead and show you guys what I mean by that, so that way we can swap out these pads no problem. So let's get to it. Alright guys, as you can see, we now have both brake pads in, and we have the caliper, the pistons reset to where the caliper is officially back on. Get out of the back out here so you can see a little bit better. So we have both of the brake pads in, and the caliper is on. It was kind of difficult. We had to reset. One of the pistons was reset far enough, but the other one wasn't. But no big deal. We got it back now. So the only thing there's really left to do is we have got to put on this T55 star bolt, this pin, I'm sorry, not bolt, but this pin. We are going to grease it back up again, and we're going to slide it back in there and go ahead and tighten everything back up. So that's really all we have for that. So having that said, we're going to go ahead and wrap this up here, and then we'll throw that tire back on, and then we'll go take it for a test drive and make sure she's stopping. So we'll catch you guys then. ahead and total out this video for the day. Hopefully it was insightful. Hopefully it was helpful for you guys. If you have any questions, you can always shoot me a message on Instagram or whatever the case. My Instagram is Diesel Anatomy. I'll go ahead and throw that up there and just type that in the search bar and I'll pop up. So anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you have any questions, you can ask me in the Instagram. Don't forget to tune in next Saturday. We're gonna have another upload. Like I said, we're gonna be doing every Saturday uploads. So they'll most likely be really late at night. So it might roll into Sunday morning. But anyways, thank you guys for tuning in. If you like this video, leave it a thumbs up. If you didn't, thumbs down. Don't forget to subscribe and share if you enjoyed it. And we'll see you next Saturday.